Welcome back to Smart Living. Today we are diving into 4 game-changing kitchen tools designed to save you time and keep your pantry perfectly organized. First up, say goodbye to tedious chopping with the wheel-type garlic cutter. This multifunctional mini tool is a total lifesaver for your daily meal prep. Simply place your garlic cloves inside and roll the wheels. The internal blades do all the work, giving you perfectly minced garlic or vegetables in seconds without the messy hands or the lingering smell. It's compact, incredibly easy to clean, and fits right in your palm. Next, if you've ever wanted to make perfect dumplings at home, this safe baozi and momo maker is for you. Designed specifically for beginners, this reliable mold helps you create professional-looking steamed buns and pies with zero effort. Just place your dough and filling inside, press, and watch as it creates the perfect pleats every single time. It's made from food-grade material, ensuring your family stays safe while enjoying delicious, homemade treats. For the snack lovers, we have the stainless steel French fries cutter. Why settle for frozen chips when you can make fresh ones in seconds? This heavy-duty slicer comes with high-precision 36/46 hole blades that turn a whole potato into perfect, uniform fries with one simple push. Finally, protect your essentials with this insect-proof and moisture-proof rice box. Available in 5 kilograms and 10 kilogram sizes, this sealed storage container is a must-have for every kitchen. The airtight lid keeps your grains, rice, and flour fresh while the specialized built-in compartment prevents pests and moisture from getting in. Its transparent design lets you see exactly when you need a refill, keeping your pantry organized and your food safe. Elevate your kitchen game with these smart solutions. For more gadgets, like, share and subscribe to Smart Living.